So in today's video I will show you step by step how you can use your mobile phone as a Firestick TV remote. Now first of all, what we want to do is we want to head over to our Play Store, and then once we open up the Play Store we will then want to search for Fire TV. Once we search for Fire TV, you want to download and install the top search result right here. So once you do that, you can then click on open. And then once we click on open, you'll be brought to this page where you will need to connect your mobile phone and your Fire Stick to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you have done that, you will then be brought to this page where you can then use this to scroll through your Fire Stick TV. You can go ahead, click on whatever you like. You've got back button here, you've got a home button, you've got the menu button, you've got up, down, left, right, everything like that, and also the select button right there in the middle. So that's how simple it is to use your mobile phone as a Fire Stick TV remote, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.